Hi, so in this video we'll build a Streamlit web app for an weighted tips prediction model. Okay, and we have built a model in our last video. So let's start building the web app. So we'll be building using Streamlit framework. So for that you need to install Streamlit. So I've done that already in my system, so I won't do that again. So now we need to just simply need to import. Wait a minute. I'll import Streamlit as st. Okay, then I'll be needing pickle file. Sorry, this will be import pickle, and we'll be needing import numpy as np. Okay, and we need to make sure that the .pkl file that you have exported from your collab, that should be in this directory. So we have this waiter underscore tips.pkl file in here. Okay, so now we need to load the model. Okay, we'll simply name as model file name. The name is waiter underscore tips.pkl, right? All right, now I need to open this pkl file. So with open, I pass the name model underscore file name. I'll be reading it, so rb, then as file, then simply I'll take that model into pickle.load file. Okay, so right now I have my waiter underscore tips.pkl file in this model variable. Okay, so this one is done. Now we need to create the function for predicting the tips based on the user input. So for that, let's say function for prediction, right? Okay, now simply def predict. Right now, how, like, what are the features that user will give? User will give total bill, the gender, smoker, day, time of the day, and size of the family members. Okay, or size of the table. Then I need to frame that features using np.array so that I can easily pass that through my model. So here simply do. Okay, so total bill, smoker, day, then time, then size. All right, now tip prediction. Here I need to use my model dot predict. I'll predict as per these features. Okay, then I'll simply return this tip prediction, and that's it. My prediction model is done. My prediction function is done now. Now I need to create my Streamlit interface. So interface. Okay, and I'll get a main function, dev main. Here I'll use it. So first let's get a title. So st dot title, I'll name it, name is waiter tips prediction. Okay, then after this I need to initialize my main function. So for that, this, then simply call this. Okay, I've saved this model. Now Streamlit run waiter underscore tips dot py, and it should run. Okay, so you could see so my interface is like this as of now, waiter tips prediction. Okay, now let's design it better. So I need user input now. For that I need to create multiple boxes. So for total bill I'll be using number input. Okay, total bill, and it has to have some minimum value. So minimum value, let's keep it as like 1.0, like minimum. Then for 6 st dot select box here, and the elements within the box would be male and female. Okay, done. Then we have smoker st dot box smoker here. After smoker I have day, so st dot select box day. Here I have multiple options, so Saturday, Sunday, and also Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then we have Thursday, then we have Friday, right? Done. Now after day we have the time. For time again st dot select box here, pass the time. Time we have lunch and dinner. Okay, after time we have size. So size st dot, it will be an input, so number inputs, then simply pass the size, and minimum value have to be 1 and step will be 1. Like it can't be in point, right? So my user input is done. Now another work is key. I need to convert data into numeric. Okay, so num here, what I'll be doing, 1 if x is male, and else I would be using 0. Okay, in smoker num same, 1 if smoker is yes, else I'll be using 0. Then day num, so for that what we can do, we'll be simply use this, we'll use this list, keep it in here. Okay, so after doing that I'll simply use index of this day. Okay, so sun will be 0, sat will be 1, mon will be 2, tuesday will be 3, so it will work as an index. Okay, then we have time num. Here I'll be using same process, I'll be just using this, and at the last index in the function time. index and time. Okay, so it's done now. Now it's time to create the button, right? So if st dot button, now would be, let's say, predict. Okay, prediction, predict tip. So we'll be calling this predict function, predict, and here we'll pass our total bill of this. Then we'll pass 6 num, pass smoker num, we'll pass day num, we'll pass time num, and we'll pass our size. All right, and then we'll simply st dot success for a message. We'll use predicted tip is, and to print the value we'll be using $. Under second bracket we need to add the variable tip prediction and with percentage, right, to it. So it is done now. Let me go to my web page and let me refresh this. So yeah, there is an error. More module Streamlit has no attribute number inputs. Okay, yeah, it won't be number inputs, it will be number input. So done. Okay, so let me just put some values into it. So 10 males, non-smoker, it will be at Sunday, so the bill must be $100. Lunch, size, let's say 3. Okay, so let's predict. Okay, there's an error. Unsupported format string passed to numpy.nd array. So there is an error in here. Okay, so this will be, I need to print the first index. So now if I refresh this again, I wanna keep it 100, size of 3. It is giving me the tip would be approx $6.43. Okay,